Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the command prompt to find out when you originally installed Windows 10. The same command will apply to users of Windows 8 and Windows 8.1 as well. Windows 7 and earlier, it's a slightly different command. But since this tutorial is geared towards Windows 8 and Windows 10 users, that's why I'm going to be doing it like this. But I will have something probably in the description of the video of how Windows 7 users can also accomplish the same goal that we're doing today. So anyway, we're going to just jump right into it by heading over to the Start button and right-clicking on it. And then we're going to select Command Prompt Admin. If you get a user account control window, select Yes. Okay, so at this point what we want to do is type in system info, space, and then you want to do a straight vertical line. I'm not exactly sure what this is referred to in grammar terms, but it should be right underneath your backspace key on your keyboard. And then you want to hit the space key again, and now type find space /I, lowercase I, and then another space, and then in quotation marks type original, and then do an end quotation, and then you want to hit enter on your keyboard. So this will take a moment to run here, just be patient. So it's very nice, it tells you the date and tells you actually the exact time that you installed Windows 10. So I hope this brief tutorial helped you guys out, and I will catch you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.